as well as our coconut milk.
Yeah.
And we just have to give her a good mix. So just leave it. Simmer this until our chicken will get cooked, and then we just have to put salt. Right now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover and simmer until chicken gets cooked. Good morning to everyone, and happy weekend. Actually, I think it's only weekend in Dubai. The rest of the world is still working.
Yep, like that.
Because for us in Dubai, Friday is off on Saturday, and then Sunday is a working days.
Today we're gonna go to the park. So at the evening we are going.
Yes. So anyway, today
we're gonna make a.
For a change, I'm gonna make a Filipino dish. So this time, I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my version of chicken curry or chicken halang-halang in Bisaya.
So this
I'm from Dumaguete, so this is my way of cooking my chicken curry. So first,
so this is the ingredients.
so I have here cut pieces of chicken. See, this is about 500 grams.
And we have a tomato and a onion and a slice of garlic and slice of chili and slice of
Ginger.
ginger and slice of.
And I have some of lemongrass. Actually, this is from my garden. So
because we have a fruit soda. Remember that video we made about fruits? Yeah,
Yes.
that one.
Anyway, and for this, I'm gonna use 400 ml or 1 can of coconut milk, because here this is easily available here.
Yes.
So now
Let's get started.
I have here a wok. You just have to put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we can throw our onion. And saute until gets translucent. Now, we have to throw our garlic and saute for about 1 minute. Then after that, we have to throw our tomato. We have to saute until the tomato becomes soft. So now, after this, we have to throw our red chili. And at the same time, we can put our, first we have to put our chicken. And just saute this for about 5 minutes before we'll put our coconut milk. So now, this is okay. We can throw our ginger and our lemongrass as well as our coconut milk. and you just have to give her a good mix. So just leave it. Simmer this until our chicken will get cooked, and then we just have to put salt. Right now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover and simmer until chicken gets cooked. So now let's check. I'm sure our chicken is already cooked because it has been simmered this for 30 minutes. Since it was a small pieces cut chicken, so this will be okay now. So as you can see, smells good. So they just have to taste. Ooh, spicy. So this is fine. We don't have to add more salt because I also put salt during the marination. I marinate the chicken with salt and lemon, so I don't want to put anything. So this is perfect. So this is how I make my chicken curry, and very simple and easy to make. This is like a Filipino style, well, in my version. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you to my next one. Bye and happy weekend.
Please like,